In this video, we will cover the CO shipping function to ship an item to a customer in Axacute. Note that you must perform the item picking to a staging location before you can ship the item using this function. At the home page, click on the Outgoing button. Select CO shipping. At the customer order shipping page, select the shipping warehouse and the staging location. You have the options to ship all the orders by the same customer, or to ship individual customer order in separate transactions. For this video, we are going to choose customer order, and click on the search button to select the customer order to ship. Click on the next button to proceed. On the next screen, Axacute will display all the open customer order lines that have been picked and are ready to be shipped. You have two options to ship the customer order by either checking this Select All button to ship all the item at once, or you can choose to ship the selected individual lines. This is helpful in cases, for example, where the customer requests for a partial shipment. Let's select all the lines and click on the Next button. Verify that the order lines are correct, and click the Process button to confirm the shipping. If the shipping is successful, a success message will be prompted. If needed, you can print a label for the item that you have shipped. Thank you for watching this video.